The Puma Palomino, right?
Palomino
Puma.
Yep.
Okay. Make sure I get that right. A little outdoor kitchen behind you.
Absolutely.
Compact.
So, clarify, this is the 25BHFQ.
Okay. So it's a bunkhouse.
Yep.
BH. There you go. You're going to want to take this off before you turn this thing on.
Well, and because it's cast iron, you want to season it and everything, so we get all that goodness in there.
Yeah. Yeah.
That voice in your head should have told you that.
Yeah, you guys, so here's the deal. I got this on so people can give me, like Tim can give me direction. Pumpkin here is whispering in my ear the whole time. This is your voice. This is the voice in your head. This is, what'd you say, Ghost of Christmas Past?
Yeah.
While I was trying to do the last RV. So you have no idea how tough my job is. All right, what do you got, to walk through?
Yep, big pass-through storage up here. Solar panel hookup on the side if you want to do a little suitcase solar panel, so.
Awesome. We've got some speakers. You got your awning, big awning with the lighting out here.
Yep, and the TV mount on the side, so that TV that's in there just comes straight outside. But
so look what you got going on here. You got a TV. You got a cookout here.
Yep.
You got your speakers and an awning with light.
Yep.
You got everything you need. Everything you need to have a party right out here, just outside your Puma.
All you need is the lake right behind you, so that way you can go fishing. And
there you go.
Yep.
There you go. Should we get inside?
Absolutely.
Let's go inside.
So when you first walk in, you got the bathroom.
Right. Okay. So let's talk about that first.
So the bathroom, obviously because of that little odd wall there.
Yeah.
But it's deeper. It gives you a little bit more space. And I'll do Dave's side.
Yeah, yeah. Get in there. I'm
go in
fascinated
here
by this room over here.
Got the toilet. I'll be Dave, and I'll get in the shower this time.
There you go. Look at that.
I'm 6'2". I'm a little bit taller than he is.
Yeah.
And I'm actually 6'2". I'm not 5'11", saying I'm 6 foot. So.
You know what's funny is I think you're right. As I'm getting older, I feel like I'm getting shorter. I used to be 6 foot at one point. I think I'm 5'11" now. But I'm too lazy to say 5'11" when you just say 6.
Yeah.
Yeah. So there you go. Okay.
Now,
what's going on here? I've not seen this.
you can move this wall inward.
Okay.
All the way to kind of open that up and close that off to the side.
Wow. Yeah. Okay. Yeah, this is new. Oh, how do you make that work?
It should just push straight up.
Oh, there it goes.
Yep. Might need to adjust a little bit there.
Yeah, I might. All right. No, yeah. I'm just not pushing up for it.
Yeah.
But this is cool. All right.
So basically a trifold sofa in the back, and then of course you got the small bunk over top of it there.
Put it down.
Yep.
Nice.
This door's gonna like us all.
Yeah. Yeah.
But when the door's open, I'll open it so that way you can show them the other side there behind it.
Oh yeah. So you've got a place for TV, which I'm assuming you would maybe set here because you don't want to smash the TV by opening it. So the TV here. Yeah, it's kind of a cool little bunk room, like in the corner. They got fancy with this.
Yeah.
You know, open it up. I'm still fascinated by it. And it's got a pocket door on it with the latch down here, so you can slide this shut when you need some privacy. Yeah, very cool.
Throws you off at first, but once you're actually in it and see it,
yeah,
very functional.
I dig it. I think it's kind of cool. It just adds character to this thing.
Yeah.
Yeah. Slide for the refrigerator and the U-shaped dinette.
Correct. Of course, that turns it down into a bed,
right.
And then you have storage on each side.
Yeah.
And this is that cafe latte, so you'll get the pleather, I guess it would be. But if you go with the slate, it's that actual cloth material.
Okay. Okay. There's your big old fridge. It's already cool. Haven't even been here very long. It's already nice and cool.
Yeah, that's the good thing about the 12-volt, 11 cubic foot refrigerator. They get cold almost immediately.
Yeah. Awesome. There's where your TV goes. Obviously, your TV goes right there where the backer is, where they've got the arm.
Yep, right across from the dinette, so you can watch while you're eating or playing cards, whatever you're doing.
Yep. Fireplace, your sound system there, and then this kind of mimics you got odd corners in here, and this kind of mimics it with the backdrop there. Very cool. I like this a lot. The cutting board comes with the cutting board, and you got the grate, the dryer as well. The corner cabinets here. Yeah, just using up a lot of space. And if I open this up, let me see something here.
And it actually goes back in the corner there.
Yeah. This is cool. Kind of Willy Wonka-ish. Like
Different.
Just different. I dig it though.
Nobody's gonna walk in this camper and say that they've seen one like
I've seen. Yeah, so I've done these for 2 years now. I've never seen an RV like this before. And then you get back here to the bedroom. You've got your wardrobes on either side, decent size, kind of wide.
His and her wardrobe.
Yep.
And of course you got actual end tables on each side. So
Right. And you may not be able to see it from there, but there's a small little closet over here. So there you go. So plenty of storage space with your cabinets above the bed, beside the bed, and then underneath. And I'm sure you can lift up on this and fine. There you go.
get to the front of it. Can't get to the pass through, but
Yep. All right. So there you go, the Palomino Puma, and of course you got the sliding. I want slides to save you some room. So you don't have a big door opening up here. Slide doors, pocket doors, whatever you want to call them, are lifesavers as far as like saving space.